So I've been making a lot of different foods. We've had jack potatoes, hasselbacks, roast beef, poached eggs. So loads of cooking as usual, and it has to be potatoes. So the Wickes kitchen has been in, I think it's about a month and a half, and I am so excited to get properly stuck in because I've been busy here and there. So now it's in, it's ready, all my stuff is here, and I am just bursting to start getting delicious recipes and content ready for everybody. Well, weirdly, actually, my mom was flicking through one of the catalogues and I was like, oh, that's nice. And it was before I'd even decided that I was gonna have a kitchen studio. And then I kind of just got a little bit obsessed with kitchens, and Wickes were my favourite, and I just fell in love with the different colours, the ranges, all the things that you could do with it. So it made sense when it came to building a kitchen studio that I had to go for Wickes. Well, it was straightforward and standard. Well, it would have been if I knew what I wanted, but I am really a confusing person and I never know what I really want. So it was, bless her, Julie had to help me quite a lot. She was my kitchen designer. We went through a few different options and it was just trying to figure out what is it that I really want and how am I going to use my kitchen the most. I mean, this kitchen is going to get used. Like, it's not a show kitchen. This is a proper, you know, working kitchen, so it has to be functional. So, you know, I've got things in places to make sure that when I'm stood here, I can get to over here quickly. When I'm using bin, it's got to be functional, and that was the one thing that I really needed from this kitchen. So because it is a kitchen studio and I wanted it to be like a home kitchen but also professional, because, you know, I'm a professional chef, so it needed to have that functionality. So I've got things like, you know, a boiling tap so it's ready for when I need to cook anything. I've got bins in places that are situated to where I'm going to be standing, because I'm going to be recording on this bit. I've got the hob in one area rather than being in the middle. So it was really great to be able to really customize it exactly how I wanted it to be and not have to like go for that conventional sort of kitchen standard, I suppose. So before I met my design consultant, no, I had no idea what I wanted. Again, I was kind of just breezing in and hoping for the best, which is what I do with my whole life. So the designer, Julie, was amazing. She really helped with it. So I knew I wanted an island or a peninsula or something. It had to be here. And then I knew I was gonna have the back area. But what I didn't know I was gonna do was have this whole other bench area. At one point, there was gonna be nothing there. And she went, I think you should get another work surface, another set of cupboards, so that when you're prepping stuff here, you can go over and prep stuff over there as well. So if that hadn't have happened, that would be a different story, because now I've used it a couple of times, so this is essential for me. So having someone there to kind of, you know, bounce ideas off and give me inspiration was amazing. With the agreed price, I had an idea. I've never bought a kitchen before, so, you know, I didn't really know how much these things cost, but having that kind of budget there, and then we can work towards it and make sure that it fits within what you're comfortable with. So that was perfect for me. Oh, the installation service from Wickes was amazing. So we had someone actually come out and just remeasure, make sure I was happy with where things were gonna go before it got installed. So I had full peace of mind that it was gonna be everywhere I needed it to be. And then when they actually came and installed it, the guys were lovely. Like, you know, we were having cups of tea, we were chatting about potatoes, and they got everything where I wanted it to be, and any questions or queries that I had, they were happy to answer. So the installation all together was about a week, something like that. I can't quite remember because it went so quick. So it was just like, you could see it unfolding before your eyes, like this beautiful kitchen studio being built, and I was so excited. So there is a 20-year guarantee on the cabinets themselves, which I'm like, 20 years seems like a lot. You've got a 10-year guarantee on the actual door fronts and the drawer fronts, and then there's a 2-year insulation guarantee. So my favourite part about my brand spanking new kitchen, and I know this seems a bit sad, but I am getting older, is the bin. It's the pull-out bin. It's here, it's away, no one can see it, it's deep, there's lots of space, and that really excited me. So I've got my top 3 things that I love about the AEG products. First of all is that the oven and the combi oven are like flawlessly streamlined and like touch screens, there's no buttons, which I love, it looks very chic. Then it's got to be the SenseBoil on the hob, because I love induction. So you press it and then it senses when the boiling is done, and then it slows it down, so it's at like a sparkling boil for the whole time rather than a rolling boil. So it means you can kind of, you know that it's good there, you can go and put your hot water on and you don't have to worry about it. And third would be the runners in the oven, which are actually called telescopic runners, but here we are. I don't understand what that means, but I love it. But it means that the runners, you can put a tray on and then you can pull it all the way out, so you don't have to like lean into the oven. It can be, you know, out of the oven, and you can put your potatoes in there when you're doing your roast potatoes. Then you can put it back in. I am already recommending Wickes to my friends and family because, like I said, my mum wanted a kitchen first. She still hasn't got it. I've got this one first, so now she's very jealous, so she's gonna have to get one.